So now that the iPhone 13 and Pixel 6 are available in stores, we are already thinking about the next big flagship smartphone. Up next is the Galaxy S22, and we recently learned that Samsung's next phone will deliver a great surprise. The Galaxy S22 Ultra will become the Note 20 successor many fans wanted. The Ultra will feature a built-in S Pen stylus that will allow Samsung to introduce a distinct design. But all three Galaxy S22 models should feature the same powerful specs. This means Qualcomm's Snapdragon 898 flagship processor will power the Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and the new S22 Ultra. Coming to the Galaxy S22 processor mystery, Samsung will be the first vendor to release a smartphone with an AMD GPU, but we have no idea when that will happen. AMD confirmed its partnership with Samsung several months ago, but we have yet to see a new Exynos branded system on chip (SoC) that will include a new processor and AMD GPU. Samsung has recently been teasing some sort of Exynos announcement for mid-November that could focus on the graphics performance of mobile devices. That's not to say that the Galaxy S22 will definitely be the first handset to rock this processor, or that it's AMD related. Separately, some reports claimed that Samsung was not going to rely on the Exynos 2200 for the Galaxy S22 series. However, an insider contested the rumor that said the Snapdragon 898 will be equipped on every Galaxy S22 model. Samsung used the same playbook for various Galaxy S and Note models in the past. Some markets got the latest Snapdragon Society, while others got Samsung's newest Exynos chip. The same might happen next year when the Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra hit stores. Snapdragon 898 might deliver significant upgrades. Qualcomm should unveil the Snapdragon 898 Society later this year. And we did expect Xiaomi to unveil the world's first smartphone packing the new flagship chip. The Galaxy S22 series launches in mid-February, according to the latest rumors, so Samsung shouldn't be far behind. After saying that Samsung will use the Exynos 2200 in the S22 series, ICE Universe is back with exciting details about the Snapdragon 898. The insider has been a solid source of information in the past few years, providing valuable insight into Samsung's plans for the industry. The leaker said on Twitter that the GPU performance and energy efficiency of the Snapdragon 898 are too strong, indicating the upgrade is even better than expected. According to ICE, the Snapdragon 898 has dramatically improved in all other aspects, including GPU, AI, and ISP. Heat dissipation continues to be a problem, the leaker said. He followed up on the Exynos rumors, saying that the Exynos 2200 will have to deliver a monster GPU upgrade to match the Snapdragon 898's Adreno 730 GPU. Otherwise, only the Snapdragon 898 will compete against the A15 Bionics GPU next year. For now, this is pretty much all the information that we could gather surrounding upcoming S series, but we will make sure to keep you posted on the same. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get instant news updates and in-depth reviews of the devices.